Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of Pacific Rim with an exciting expansion, the bladed Gipsy Danger from River Horse. If you're a fan of epic battles between Jaegers and Kaiju, this might just be the ultimate addition to your collection. Let's start with why this is touted as the best Pacific Rim Extinction figure out there. River Horse has truly outdone themselves with this 75mm scale model. The bladed Gipsy Danger is not only fantastically detailed but also comes pre-painted, capturing every intricate design from the movie. What sets this apart is its versatility. You can convert the bladed Gipsy Danger into an Obsidian Fury, adding another layer of customization to your collection. Whether you prefer the heroic Gipsy Danger or the menacing Obsidian Fury, this figure allows you to display both. Speaking of build quality, River Horse hasn't compromised. The materials feel sturdy, perfect for display or light play. The paint job is exceptional, with vibrant colors that stay true to the Pacific Rim universe. Beyond aesthetics, this figure enhances the Pacific Rim Extinction gameplay experience. It's fully compatible with the game mechanics, adding strategic depth when you deploy it against other Jaegers and Kaiju. To wrap up, the River Horse Pacific Rim Extinction Bladed Gipsy Danger expansion is a must-have for any Pacific Rim enthusiast. Its detailed design, build quality, and versatility make it a standout choice. Whether you're collecting for display or diving into gameplay, this figure delivers on all fronts. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Let us know in the comments if you've added this epic bladed Gipsy Danger to your collection or if you have any questions. Until next time, keep exploring and enjoying your hobbies.